This video is just a reminder for you to post that video. Post that video, whatever it is, whatever niche you want. Just post it. You don't need any edits or fancy scripts or whatever. Just fucking post it and stay consistent. Though this is kind of hypocritical for me because I haven't posted for 2 weeks. I only made a video last week, but I didn't upload it because I got lazy. I got lazy to make a thumbnail and stuff like that, and mainly because I've been a little bit busy, but that's not an excuse. Being consistent, to be consistent, you should be able to adapt. So don't be like me. Be consistent and just do it. You don't need anything perfect. So for that, I'll just play you a song because I just want to. Wait. I want you to see the guitar. It's not perfect, but I'll still post it. How could I ignore you? Trust me, I adore you. Though we're only 16. Kiss me in the shower for a couple hours. Though we're only 16. Sit down beside me, don't call me daddy, 'cause that's just fucking weird. Promise that you say it, you and I can lay it until the end of time. Fucking guitar skills, I forgot the fucking chords. Sit down beside me, don't call me daddy, such as fucking weird. Promise that you say it, you and I can live until the end of time. But girl, don't worry about me. This ain't new to me. Feeling this only. Don't worry about me. But if you're ever unhappy, if you're ever unhappy, if you're ever unhappy, then maybe, wait, then maybe baby, I must let you. Post that fucking video. You don't need to do it perfectly, just post it and make it a habit.